So welcome, this is the Collabo app. This is the app to help people collaborate to find those who they seek to start a project with. So this app basically allows people to find whoever they would love to collaborate with, or whoever project that's already existing they would love to collaborate in, or better still create one of theirs. So it emphasizes a social network for collaboration where friendships can be made and at the same time work can be done. So this is the landing page. As you can see, this is the landing page. This WebStack app is actually majorly a backend app, fast API app with just a front end introduction interface. So as you can see, we have several tools here, and the page is fully deployed and all running on external cloud servers. So here we have it. And now to demonstrate how the backend interface works, I'll be using Postman. And so on Postman, I'm going to now create a new user as a user would when starting up a new app. Now I'm going to copy all these endpoints to demonstrate using each one of them to show the capability of our app. So quickly copy this and our response quickly, we shall send for that, and we get a response. Our user has been created successfully. Now before we move forward, carefully take our user ID because we need that as we make further queries. Ensure that we have this, we actually query the right user, and now quickly let us log this and we retrieve our access token. So let's go quickly verify our token. So we can receive our access token, our credentials, our access token, and then here we have it. The correct errors. That's the password not correct. Let's try again. As you can see, with the correct password, we get an invalid email password. But with the correct password, we will be able to log in and there is it. We have our access token now, and I will demonstrate how we can use this for creating a user profile, creating projects and checking out how to create a user profile. So make our post ready and let's send it. Now create a new project has been created successfully. Now we'll not be using this ID specifically. Now all these are working on our authentication. If authentication token was incorrect, none of this will work. To demonstrate that also, I'll be removing just one letter from it. I'll just remove the first letter E from authentication token. I will see that once I send a request, our request fails, turn as what? Unauthorized. But once I put it back, but since I already made this specific project, I'll get project exist already because okay, a project should be successful because of it's possible that we may create the same exact project. Yes, so it's only for users that has been implemented. So get a project now. Now we're retrieving another project that's now deep, not this one we created. So retrieve this. I'll use the get method. Let's see what this project entails. Now, project title, description, the collaboration app was created sometime today, created by this specific user, and all the tags, the collaborators that will follow up, that are all included. Now, if you also would like to update a project that also works, if you also would like to apply to a project that also works, let's see how that works to apply to a project. You can also send invites to a project, search for projects, or even get project recommendation on the feed. From the suggestions, we'll just show a few of them for the sake of time. So let's quickly see how we can. So let's get the user profiles. I'll click send, and okay. Now let's ensure that our inputs is correct. Now any inputs that we fail to put, move that 6, get different error. Now specifically our answer comes out yes. We have our inputs, everything about our user, including his friends, his email, his profile picture, his skills, what he does, how many followers he has, and his of course user ID as well. So that's wonderful. And let's move on. Let's quickly see how we can update our user profile as well. If we wanted to change something, use something to edit his profile, how can that be done? Now also, we need to put a JSON body here to ensure that we can work on what we are working on. So we need a JSON body so we can demonstrate that the user details can be changed. Now quickly make a request, and of course we have that. Of course, yeah, but quickly let's change to include request because we want to change our user detail, not get something. And because user profile is updated successfully, now if you change back to where the get request, we see that the bio has now changed to updated bio about our user interest. And also even skills have also been appended. Those ones that were there before has been added, and those that were there left as they were. Now let's move on to the cross schema, creating new projects on the app. We are going to create a new project now. and we're going to put some JSON. We put some JSON into our request. We'll need that for now for the sake of our demonstration. So it's not necessary. It gets posted automatically, and of course, we must make this a post request. Wait, and we ensure, okay, we have to change that. Sorry. To ensure that our post is correct, to ensure that whether we error. Oh, so let's search for projects. To demonstrate for the second time, just search for projects now. Sure, well, these are some query parameters that are usually JSON modify request that we send it in, and of course we must use a get method. And there we go. But because this we have any project with this specific parameter, we get an empty list. But if we were just to put in nothing specific, we just put in something that we had actually created for a project, create a project with collaboration platforms, so just put collaboration, and we send it, and voila, we get our very projects that have collaboration on them, a list of them, and there we go. So lastly, we also delete the projects just to show that the project can also be deleted by the user if you so desire. So now this is all you need. Just delete request and we send it and we get deleted successfully. And here we go for the deleted successfully. So with this is our little demonstration of what this app is capable of. And of course, it's majorly a fast API app, and it's a React frontend. This is built from React and the back end of fast API. And this app seeks to grow, and we need to intend to put in more features on the front end. But for now, everything is mostly consumed on the back end. So it's time to have everything more functional so that users don't have to use mostly query service. So we can quickly go through here. And with that, we have our full